and dining area which is very spacious to place. As you can see, this kitchen is also very spacious to queen size bed as the bedroom is very spacious. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project JP The Palace by JP Infra located in Mira Road. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office. And over here is the actual land parcel and the actual tower whose construction is in full progress. This is the main road of our project, which is near Western Express Highway. We will be getting into all the details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. So now let me tell you about the project overview. This project is spread across the land parcel of 3 acres having 3 towers with G plus 45 story, having 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residences. And now let me tell you about the amenities. This project has 100 plus amenities with podium level amenities, and you also have a temple on the podium level. It also has a 1 lakh square feet clubhouse which has multiple amenities like infinity pool, gym, music room, kids play area, spa and sauna, in-house cafe, restaurant, senior citizen zone, daycare center and many more amenities. Talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located off Western Express Highway near Western Hotel, Mira Road, from where Mira Road railway station is only 10 to 15 minutes drive, and there are 2 upcoming metro stations that is only at a distance of 600 meters to 800 meters from the project. And also there are school, colleges, hospitals only 1 kilometer from the project. Also, to know about more projects in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. So now we are standing outside the 1 BHK of JP The Palace. This 1 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 514 square feet. Let's begin with the sample flat tour and look at the spacious 1 BHK. As we enter, you will get a foyer area that is spacious enough for 2 people to enter at the same time, and your kitchen is at the left from the entrance, giving you full privacy. As you can see, this kitchen is also very spacious to customize your lofts, your units and place your platforms. You will get a dryer space provided in the kitchen to place your washing machine. Moving forward, this is a living and dining area which is very spacious to place your sofas, the center table and customize your TV unit, and you will also get full French windows with a balcony in the living area. The balcony is also very spacious to place your tea tables, etc. And this will be your dining corner where you can easily place a 4 to 6 people dining table to enjoy meals with your family. Right over here we have a common washroom that is also very spacious that you can customize as per your choice. Before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now let's move to the master bedroom of this 1 BHK. As we enter, you can see you can place your king and queen size bed as the bedroom is very spacious along with the side tables, and you can customize your TV unit and your study corner as well. Over here, wardrobe space is provided and you can customize your own wardrobes. You will also get full French windows with a balcony in this bedroom as well. As you can see, this bedroom is very spacious. You can place all your needs that you need in a bedroom, and over here we have the attached washroom of this master bedroom that is also very spacious, and you can customize it as per your choice. So this was the 1 BHK sample flat tour of JP The Palace. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. And also, if you want to know about more properties in this location, do let us know in the comments. And at last, don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.